In this video, I will dive deep into a critical comparison between the shopping experience promised by USNIUIO.com and the harsh reality reported by actual buyers. When you first visit the site, it looks like a high-end boutique, but this comparison reveals a massive gap between the professional imagery and the actual service provided. While legitimate retailers offer transparency, USNIUIO.com operates with obscured ownership and generic legal pages that appear to be copied from other scam networks. The standout contrast here is the pricing strategy. They bait customers with discounts of up to 90% off, a tactic rarely seen in sustainable, honest businesses. The trade-off for these low prices is a significant risk to your data and your wallet. According to reports from Thomas Orsolia at Malware Tips, the site uses high-pressure tactics like countdown timers and fake low-stock banners to bypass your critical thinking. Instead of receiving the quality items shown in the professional photos, victims often face two outcomes: either the order never arrives at all, or they receive a cheap knockoff that doesn't match the listing. If you try to get your money back, the comparison to real customer service ends quickly. They often demand that items be shipped back to China at the buyer's expense, making a refund practically impossible. Between the lack of a real phone number and the generic email support, the risks far outweigh the supposed savings. Thanks for watching this warning, and make sure to like and subscribe for more fraud alerts to keep your online shopping safe. Let me know in the comments if you have encountered sites like this before.